our area and what impacts we might have on our coastal communities.
That's right. We've still got Imelda as a Category 1. We now also have Humberto as a 1. So truly twin systems at this point too. And they're several hundred miles really away from one another now, but also only a few hundred miles from Bermuda for Humberto. And eventually Imelda is expected to impact Bermuda as well. So that could make a direct landfall there as we go into the next 48 hours. As we head into our Thursday, we'll be watching the track of Humberto as well as Imelda. Humberto is expected to kind of take this turn off to the north and east, and then similar pattern but a little bit farther south, so that does put Bermuda in that path, and we're looking at those showers and those thunderstorms as a result as well, and we're expecting to see those showers and storms continue to push off from the coast of North Carolina. But rainfall totals are estimated over the last 48 to 36 hours, showing you those showers from Emerald Isle, the Atlantic area. As we go up into Burlington and the Raleigh region, we've got those showers that are heavy at times. Oak Island, Holden Beach, you can see some of the heavier rains moving in there or just right offshore. So estimates around the Eastern Triad for beneficial rainfall has been 1 to 2 inches, and anywhere from a ½ an inch to light totals as we go back into the foothills from Mount Airy through Stewart. So less likely you're going to see a whole lot more than this today. We've got a couple of showers out there right now that we're monitoring too, but Imelda, of course, right now moving to the northeast at 7 miles an hour. Sustained winds are at 80 miles an hour. This does put it as a Category 1 hurricane, and Humberto has weakened since earlier this morning, now also down to a Category 1 hurricane. You can see Emerald Isle at about 82 degrees just within the last few hours. We've actually jumped up to 83. We still have gale warnings right up and down this coast, so we've got really impressive winds, in part from Imelda, and then also the tighter pressure gradient as a ridge is trying to build into the north. Temperatures right now continue in those upper 60s to 70s as we're rain cooled, and a couple of showers likely still filling in along our beaches today. So gusty winds, that's what they're going to be dealing with. We also have those showers that are starting to taper, but still with us with heavier cloud cover. And eventually we're going to see some peaks of sunshine out there as we head into the afternoon hours. You're noticing that the rain is becoming much lighter. You're at 68 in Burlington, where you are rain cooled, 70 degrees in Greensboro, some pockets of clouds thinning out there right now, some sunshine too down south as we get you from Lexington at 70 degrees to 64 in Moravian Falls and 60 in Jefferson. Let's take a look at the winds right now. More of a northeasterly flow for us at this hour. We also are expecting to see those gusts up anywhere from 10 to 15, even 20 miles an hour still today. And then tomorrow gets a little bit better as well. And most of our gusts will still be with us through the evening hours tonight. So we don't anticipate as much fog. Rain chances are going to be starting to taper off the later we head through the afternoon. We've got you cloudy with some peaks of sunshine at times, especially in those southern Piedmont zones right now. So low 70s to mid 70s if you've got some sunshine. 60 degrees right now for folks in the high country as we look around Sparta and Ennis. Your temperatures there near 64 degrees on those eastern slopes. You might see a little bit of sunshine mixing through as well. Tomorrow we all have more sunshine. Potential rainfall totals as we get you through really the next 10 to 12 hours is only another 2/100 of an inch or so, and then we stay dry. Really don't anticipate much rain, and that's great news as we start a lot of different events and festivals this weekend, especially the Carolina Classic Fair that gets going in Winston-Salem at the fairgrounds. You can see here 71 degrees on your Tuesday, 75 Wednesday, and 68 on Thursday. That's the mildest day and the coolest morning so far, too, near 48 on Friday. So 2 cool mornings in a row. We've got those chilly temperatures. You'll need those jackets. 70s for the weekend.